Dear law student, should you take bar prep courses? My name is Marco Brown and I own Brown Family Law in Salt Lake City. No, I don't think you should. Lots of professors at law schools are going to disagree with me, and oddly enough, most of those professors are the ones that teach corporations or secure transactions or that other stuff that might be on the bar exam but no one ever cares about and no one ever is going to use. So it's kind of like asking a barber if you need a haircut. Of course, the barber's going to say yes. Your corporations teacher is going to say yes, you need to take corporations because it's on the bar exam and blah, blah, blah. You don't need to. In fact, I actually think it's detrimental. What you should do in law school, especially during the third year, which is the most worthless year of school you will ever experience in your entire life. I have no idea why we have the third year of law school. It's just horrible and stupid, and it just racks up way more debt and doesn't give anybody anything. But that's really the year that you take these bar prep courses, and you would be much better served taking classes that you find interesting. Okay, so I made the mistake of taking some bar prep courses, but not others, and I remember corporations, that's why I'm harping on it, is one of them. I went the first day and I realized that I made a terrible error. It was so bad. I think I read the first day and I never read a day after that. I had a buddy who had a really good 110-page outline, and 2 weeks before the final, I just read the outline until I memorized it. Okay, and then I went and took the test, then I forgot all about it, and then I go to the bar prep course anyway, and this is really why you shouldn't take, or you don't need to take bar prep courses, and you really shouldn't. The corporations law on the bar exam was totally different than the stuff I learned in the class. Okay, didn't really have much of anything to do with each other at all. So I took this class and I figured it was going to be redundant, and it wasn't redundant at all. It was just totally different stuff. So I really wish I'd taken another con law class or another criminal law class or something that interested me, right? It would have kept me engaged. Because during that third year of law school, I was totally disengaged. I went from like the top 10 to the top third, I think, right? Because I couldn't sustain it. I just didn't care anymore. And I think that is the problem that people have, is they take these classes they think are necessary, and they're totally not. But they don't take classes that are actually engaging to them, that they're going to learn from. So just don't make that mistake. Just take the classes you want to take, okay? And then after that, you get a really, really good bar prep course, whether it's Barbary. I use Barbary. It was kind of the only player in the game back then, but Crescendo or whoever you want to use. Just a high quality bar prep course is going to get you ready for the bar in your state. I guarantee it. In fact, there is really no correlation between law school at all and the bar. Like you could be a, I don't know, underwater basket weaving major in college, and then take a really good bar prep course and pass the bar. Okay, so that's how disconnected it is. So I just wouldn't worry about it. Take the classes that you find really interesting in law school, make the best out of that worthless third year of law school, and then go take a really, really good bar prep course, and you're going to be fine. So don't waste your time on bar prep classes. Okay, until next time, I appreciate you being here.